Good morning to all. So today we are going to start a new chapter number 5, computer networking and multimedia basics. So today only just introduction. So in introduction part it is also what do you mean by network? So then what is the use of network? So for example, here look at that, here is one situation is here. So in your home there is assume that in your home there is one computer is there. So if you want to print anything, you should buy a printer and attach it to that computer. So it is good when one person is using one computer and using one printer. So assume that in our school there is a lot of computers are there. So 150, assume that 150 computers are there. So in order to buy 150 printers, it is very cost. So in order to reduce that cost, what you are doing means we need to connect all the computers together and that just connect that printer in that network. So this is the use of network, means connecting all the devices together in order to share resources. Not only resources, we can share the data, we can share the application, we can share the software, everything. So this is a main usage of network. What is network means? More than two computers connected together in order to make a network. So this is only introduction, so we can study more. So it is written here, a network is a group of devices linked to one another, which means that each devices are connected together. So by joining computer together to form a network, so they are able to share one printer. So we already see one scenario. So this means that more money can spend buying better quality printer, and that printer be used to much more of the time. So now this one computer can share among number of computers if they are interconnected. So interconnected computers form a computer network. So more than two computers are connected together to form a network. So computer is not connected, that is work alone. That such a type of computer is called a standalone computer. Standalone means it is not connected to any network. So then each computer connected to a network is called a workstation or node or host. So three names are there. We can use the workstation or a node or a host. So all the computer connected to a network is called a workstation or node or host. So the computer that is not connected to any network, it is called a standalone computer. So then look at that. What's the need? The need of networking can be summarized in the 3 points. So need of networking means it breaks the barriers of distance and the cost and the time. So when we are using network, the distance not problem, and the cost is also, now we already see that one scenario by buying one printer case. Then it is very cost effective as compared to telephone network. So for telephone network, for communicating, it is very cost effective, but here look at that, we no need to any another technology, just connect only all the devices by using wire or wireless. Then all the type of data, text, audio, video, pictures, graphics, all can be transmitted to this network. So these are the main need of this networking. So today we study symbol only what you mean by network. So network is a group of devices linked to one another. And then what you mean by a standalone computer, what you mean by host or node or workstation, then what is the need of networking, 3 points only. So only just introduction, this is only small chapter, we can complete it with 2 or 3 days. So now you just understand that what you mean by network, what you mean by standalone computer, and what is the need of networking, what you mean by workstation, node or host. So if you understand this class, you can continue tomorrow.